So we want this store to be a full destination where you have the vision testing done, you have the beautiful brands, international brands, all sourced from all over the world, up-to-date styles going with the trends, and we also have facilities for care, which is your eye care and your eye hearing care. Another very unique feature of the store is the first ever Lens Experience Zone. Lens Experience Zone, we understand, is as exciting as selecting frames, because with lenses, there are so many features you can unlock in a pair of glasses. And we have a beautiful Lens Experience Zone upstairs with a variety of customizable tints based on your needs as well as your aesthetic preference, and you can customize this to any frame of your choice. So this store is unique in that way because we are providing you an experience that really surmounts into the fact that we are truly an eye care destination and one of a kind in India. Providing such holistic services, and if you can see the ambience of the store, the location, the kind of service that we provide, the experience itself is very luxurious. So our frames, we are sourcing from international brands. So the starting price would be about 5,000 to 6,000 rupees, frame only. And then it goes up to the likes of a Cartier or Maybach, which would be 1 lakh plus. And we do see a big demand because customers who come to this area, they like to invest in high quality lenses. And high quality lenses are not only just for vision protection, but we also have various type of lenses if you require for driving, if you require for sports, if customers who like to travel abroad and they are always in the snow areas. Then we have lenses for active lifestyle, running, pickleball, any kind of sport you're playing, you need a specific type of lens. And we see our customers over here that they would, with a superior quality lens, you need a superior quality frame, because the frame itself needs to be of such material. Most of our frames are acetate or titanium, and these are sourced from the likes of Italy, from Japan. And we see that this provides the kind of comfort that the frames provide today are a great marriage with the lens technology and the features that meets your lifestyle. So today, our consumers, we give least amount of attention to our eyes, but it's the first thing that we notice when we look at somebody. First thing you notice when you look at somebody is that, oh, very nice glasses, such beautiful glasses. Where did you get these glasses from? That is the first direction we look at is somebody's eyes. After that, then you look at the clothes, you look at the shoes, you look at the hairstyle, etc., etc., etc.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Gupta and I'm the director of GKB Opticals. I have alongside with myself Mr. Sumit Datta, who is our COO of GKB, and Mr. Ajay Mishra, who is our VP, Vice President of GKB Opticals. So today we are here to launch our most iconic store in South region in Karnataka, which is our MG Road Bangalore store. This store is a newly renovated store and it's been with us for many years, over 15 years. But this time the store has gone through a complete transformation, and with the new store we have with us a lot of innovation that we have brought, which is one of a kind in India. So the first innovation we have is a dedicated myopia clinic. Myopia, as we see, is a rise that is growing. It's an epidemic that will grow further in India, and as GKB Opticals being the pioneers in vision care in the country, we have launched our first myopia clinic, which provides a full comprehensive eye test, never like any other optical chain in India. Second, we have our Lens Experience Zone, which provides a customizable option of customizing your lens tints to any frame of your choice based on your lifestyle needs. So consumers today have various lifestyle. They like to go on a ski trip, they like to play pickleball, they like to drive. So we have lenses for each and every lifestyle need, and this is one of a kind experience that we provide in MG Road. Thirdly, we have an audiology facility here. We already talked about myopia, but we have an audiology facility here in partnership with a leading brand in hearing aids called Widex. And this provides a remote teleaudiometry test to all our customers who have hearing disabilities.